Hello friends, today I published a video on essay section of your syllabus. One of my subscribers told me to give a detailed video on essay for the upcoming alternative English exam. That's why today I give you a detailed essay on your favorite science fiction film. Friends, this essay was given in the last year alternative English exam, that's why I take this essay. So, let's start. Your favorite science fiction film. Friends, I give you a detailed essay on favorite science fiction film. So, I take the most famous science fiction film named Avatar. So, let's start with introduction. Science fiction films have captivated audiences for decades with their imaginative and often futuristic portrayals of technology, society, and the cosmos. These films explore the boundaries of human knowledge and imagination, often delving into profound questions about existence, ethics, and the consequences of technological advancement. One of the most notable science fiction films that exemplifies these themes is Avatar, directed by James Cameron. My favorite science fiction film. Avatar is a science fiction film that is written and directed by James Cameron. It is an excellent example of popular cinema because it is well liked by many. Avatar was released in 2009 and is the highest-grossing film worldwide in cinematic history. It has received 80 awards, including a Golden Globe for Best Motion Picture of the Year, has been nominated for 9 Academy Awards and has received 2 Oscars. Avatar is set in the year 2154 and is focused around the protagonist, Jake Sully, a paraplegic former Marine. In this film, Earth's resources have been depleted, and therefore people rely heavily on space exploration, particularly mining on an Earth-like planet called Pandora. Pandora is a lush planet brimming with unique flora and fauna and is inhabited by an indigenous race known as the Na'vi, which are tall blue-skinned humanoids. Unobtainium is the precious mineral that humans are trying to extract from Pandora in order to support and save life back on Earth. Visual mastery and technological innovation, asterisk. One of the most remarkable aspects of Avatar is its pioneering use of 3D technology. James Cameron spent years developing new technology to bring his vision of Pandora to life. The immersive experience provided by the film's visuals is unparalleled, making the world of Pandora feel tangible and real. The detailed portrayal of Pandora's lush landscapes, bioluminescent flora, and diverse fauna captivated audiences worldwide, setting a new benchmark for what could be achieved in cinema. Environmental themes and message, asterisk. Avatar is more than just a visual spectacle, it carries a strong environmental message. The film highlights the destructive nature of human greed and the consequences of exploiting natural resources. The indigenous Na'vi people's deep connection to their environment serves as a stark contrast to the exploitative intentions of the humans who seek to mine Pandora for the precious mineral, unobtainium. This theme resonates strongly with contemporary issues of deforestation, climate change, and the displacement of indigenous communities. Avatar serves as a reminder of the importance of living in harmony with nature and respecting the delicate balance of ecosystems. Cultural and social commentary, asterisk. Beyond its environmental message, Avatar also serves as a commentary on colonialism and the exploitation of indigenous cultures. The film draws parallels between the plight of the Na'vi and the experiences of indigenous peoples throughout history. The forced relocation of the Na'vi from their homeland by the human invaders mirrors real-world events where indigenous communities have been displaced for the sake of industrial progress. Through its portrayal of the Na'vi's struggle, Avatar encourages viewers to reflect on the consequences of imperialism and the importance of cultural preservation. Character development and emotional depth, asterisk. The characters in Avatar are well developed and contribute significantly to the film's emotional depth. Jake Sully, the protagonist, undergoes a profound transformation as he immerses himself in the Na'vi culture and ultimately chooses to fight alongside them against the human invaders. His journey from a disabled, disillusioned Marine to a hero who finds purpose and belonging in a foreign world is both compelling and inspiring. The relationship between Jake and Neytiri, a Na'vi princess, adds a layer of emotional resonance to the film, highlighting themes of love, loyalty, and sacrifice. Impact on popular culture and cinema, asterisk. Avatar had a tremendous impact on popular culture and the film industry. It became the highest-grossing film of all time until it was surpassed by Avengers: Endgame in 2019, and its success paved the way for the use of 3D technology in other films. The film's influence can be seen in various aspects of popular culture, from merchandise and theme park attractions to discussions about environmentalism and indigenous rights. Avatar also sparked discussions about the future of cinema, particularly regarding the use of technology to create immersive experiences for audiences. Conclusion. Avatar is a science fiction masterpiece that transcends its genre to deliver powerful messages about the environment, colonialism, and the human experience. Its visual innovation, compelling storytelling, and cultural impact make it a favorite among many, including myself. The film's legacy continues to inspire filmmakers and audiences alike, reminding us of the importance of preserving our planet and respecting the diversity of cultures that inhabit it. As we look forward to the upcoming sequels, it is clear that Avatar will remain a significant cultural touchstone for years to come. Thanks friends for watching my video. I will upload more essays which are important to you HS second year final exam, so please support me. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. See you soon in next video.